Hello, guys. Welcome to episode 3, How to Justify the Career Switches in B School Interviews. If you haven't watched the last two episodes of this series, go and watch. Sure, it will be helpful for you. So, in this video, we are going to talk about how to actually justify your career switches in B School interviews. Career switches means if you want to switch from operations to marketing, finance to marketing, marketing to finance, etc. Why this topic actually needs a separate video? Because this is one of the questions where the panelist decides you are going to be in that B school or not. See, career switches are not risky. Random career switches, it is risky. What I have seen from past few years with the students is that most of them don't get rejected because they want to do MBA in a different domain. They are getting rejected because of how they actually explain this answer. So let's see how to justify it properly. See, in the first section, I want to talk about like what actually panelists think. When you say you want to switch careers, the panels are not judging your ambitions at all. They are basically testing three things. First is impulsiveness. Are you switching your career because you found it fancy, or are you switching your career because you are right now bored in your job? The second thing, and I think it is very important, it is lack of research. Here, panelist thinks, do you even know where you are going to enter? Do you know what is the career trajectory will look like? And the third thing is escapism. Have you done your research or have you thought it properly? Or are you running from your current role instead of moving towards something better? If your answers triggers any of these three things, your switch justification might look dangerous. If you cover these three things properly, your answer will look strategic. Now, for this answer as well, give you the three-part structure for this answer as well. First thing you need to talk about here is exposure or trigger. What it means is that what made you consider this switch? No emotions, no frustration, nothing. But here you need to talk about the exposure. Exposure means a project, a cross functional role, a client interaction, a course or certification, a responsibility that you enjoyed. Show where the interest originated. Now the second thing you need to do is that skill alignment. See, this is very critical and one of the most important thing to do. You are not just going to say the first part that I have done this project, I just did this responsibility and I enjoyed, so I want to make a career switch. But you need to justify that if you are choosing that domain, are your skills are up to date with them, or do you have any current skills or not? Suppose if you are moving from engineering to marketing, finance to consulting, operations to product, you must show transferable skills. For example, analytical ability, Google Analytics, stakeholder management, problem solving, client interactions, etc. See, panels are not expecting that if you are switching from one domain to other, so you should have some experience in that, but they are expecting that do you have the capability to learn it. Now, the third and one of the most important thing is that future clarity. Basically, they want the answer, where do you see yourself after switching the domain? Don't say that I want only exposure, I want to learn the concept, I want to know how the businesses work, etc. Just tell them you want to build the expertise in this domain. You are looking towards this role in some kind of industry. And MBA will give you the expertise and the foundational knowledge for that. If you give the answers combining these three important things, your panel will have the clarity why you are switching the career. Now in section 3, I will talk about what are the red flags that you should avoid. One of the thing is that I was bored in my previous role. This signals instability, this signals non-professionalism. The second thing is that my job was toxic. Even though it was toxic, you faced some kind of scenarios. Don't say this thing there. Basically, if you say this thing, complaining might make you look emotionally reactive. Now I will give you one sample structure answer for this. Don't ever copy paste this answer. This is only an example, but you can get an idea what answers can work in this type of question. During my time in operations, I was exposed to cross functional roles where I interacted closely with marketing and strategy teams. I realized that I was more inclined towards understanding consumer behavior and long-term positioning rather than purely execution tasks. Begin upskilling myself, marketing fundamentals, participating in case competition, taking projects by my own, test my interest. Now I want to formally transition into the marketing roles, and MBA will provide me the structure, knowledge, and platform to make the shift effectively. Have you noticed these things in this answer? Exposure mentioned, skill aligned, clear direction, and no negativity. So it was more of a strategic answer rather than an emotional answer. So, okay, so if you like this video and my explanation to this answer, I have posted two others video related to that. You can watch them. If you want to make your GDPI journey mentored by me, then you can join my free community group as well. You can look for GDPI program at mbawali.com as well. And if you want, you can drop your career switch background in the comments. I'll help you to structure it as well. And if you want a deeper preparation, I have already mentioned where you need to go. Hope you like this video. Share it with people. Comment down your backgrounds. I'll help you out. All the best. And stay tuned for episode 4.